Hi, this is Ash, and let's get started. So, today we're going to be talking about some of the worst things out there, some of the most boring things out there in C programming language. That's called C, uh, C keywords and operators, as well as some data types. So, data types. There are basically four data types: basic, derived, enumeration, and void. Basic data type, we have already discussed them. Uh, int, char, float, double, those are basic data types. And there are some derived ones. Derived ones are like array, pointer, structure, union, enum, are enumerations, and void data type is basically void. Void is basically empty, so it doesn't have any limit. That's what void means. Then we're gonna be talking about the range. In my in my life, I've never ran out of the space for the range for anything. But for characters, it's minus 128 to 127 in the positive, whereas for int is at minus 32,768 to 32,767, because 0 is in itself taking space, so 0 is counted as a middle space, so it's a space by itself. So in many times what happened that if it reached minus 32,768, and if we deduct it again, the value would be going back to 32,767. It would go to the positive. That's why it is important for you to remember that int is really important in programming, to know how much is your range right now. Then our keywords. Some of the keywords include auto, break, case, char for character, const for constant, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, goto, if, int, long, register, return, short, signed, size of, static, struct, switch, type of, type def, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and while. So keywords are the reserved words. You can't use it in variable name, constant name, etc. There are only 32 reserved words that I have already told you. Those will be up in the screen as well. Make sure to remember them, because these you can't use them as any variable name. So if you want to use them as variable name, it's not possible. It's gonna give you a compilation error. It won't run at all. So to make sure that you don't run into this problem, I'll say just Google keywords in C and make a copy for it. Just keep it up sometimes, because the thing is, once we go deep into programming in itself, you will learn that we will use these words as particular uh, operators. Like we have already used int, okay, we have already used const for no, we haven't used const, we have used characters for char and stuff like that, float for point values. So for that, remember that we don't have any uh, any choice For this, we just gotta be going along with them because these are baked into C programming in itself. And this is gonna be all for today. Remember, the next video is my introduction by itself, so yeah, there I'll be introducing yours truly. So keep in mind, and thank you.